All right, hello everyone. Hello. How are you today? This is the 31st of October and this is 2022 on Monday. So usually I take day off on Monday and today I'm off. But since I see one of the pairs are trending, I just briefly want to share my view. In fact, it's actually GBP JPY. Maybe you see the title already on a GBP JPY analysis. But today I was going to buy GBP JPY when I woke up in the morning, but I decided not to. So today is about how I don't take trades. So that will be the topic. And I thought GBP JPY is a good example to explain that. So this live won't be so long. I think I finish live in about 20 minutes or so. But hopefully you enjoy. And also please enjoy the archive in case you missed this live stream. So right now this is 12 p.m. UTC. Let me switch screen and show the clocks. So yeah, it's UTC 12 p.m. So in Dubai it's 4 p.m. now. Los Angeles is 5 in the morning, and New York 8 a.m. and Geneva it's 1 p.m. New Delhi is 5:30. Singapore 8 p.m. Tokyo is 9 p.m. right now. So yeah, maybe you can find the clock in your region. Yeah. So today I was going to take a day off, but since I find one of the good pairs to talk about, I'm like, why not doing the live and explain that. So yeah, thank you for joining everyone. I see some comments now already. Thanks so much. Okay. All right, so so let me see. Quick announcement is that the Global Trading School in January 2023 is about to be filled. There's only 2 seats available. So if you're interested, please let me know. You can actually saw the details on the below description. But in case you have some other questions about the course, please let me know by email. Then I can give you more details. So here is trading view today, and this is the GBP JPY. So it broke the resistance. Basically, the GBP pairs are strong. I mean, GBP has been strong since last Friday. So last Friday, it broke the resistance here, which was again on 170.63, and it's bullish today also. The Kumo is moving up, Senko span B is up, Senko span A is up. And not only that, the Kumo is not too thin, so that means this uptrend seems to be continuous. And Kijun Sen is now above Kumo. This is also significant. When Kijun Sen still below Kumo, the market might spike like here. But as soon as Kijun Sen comes above Kumo, that means this is bullish now, stably. So that's another sign that I like about this pair, GBP JPY. And Tenkan Sen is also bullish. So because of the breakout, it's also bullish, and Chikou span above candles. So daily time frame looks great on GBP JPY. So in the morning today, after I woke up, I usually go to gym to wake myself up and have a breakfast and check charts. But today, I happened to wake up very early in the morning, like 5 a.m. For some reason, sometimes I happen to wake up very early in the morning. If that's the case, I simply check charts and then go to gym and eat breakfast. So today, when I was watching the chart, it was in the 5 minute. On the 5-minute, I don't use Ichimoku because Ichimoku is too lagging. I think I was around here, this market, and I was looking for the buying edge. So daily was up, and I also saw I think it was the 30-minute time frame was bullish in Ichimoku. So I was waiting for the trading chance. But when I was here, I couldn't see any entry timing. The reason was because here you see the 5-minute time frame shows there is a very small double top and neckline breakout. So in this blue bearish bar, this is a neckline break of double top. So I thought the market may reverse on the 5-minute. So daily is bullish and 30 was also bullish at that time. So I still expected the market goes bullish. So I was waiting for the breakout of the double top in the 5-minute, 171.82, and waiting for the trading chance. But it didn't happen actually. Afterwards, I waited for maybe 30-40 minutes, and the market just kept going down, so I stayed away. So this is 10 minutes, and 20 minutes, and 30 minutes. You see the market doesn't go up, but rather it just keeps going down. And along the way in the 5-minute, there was also a pin bar. You see this one is a pin bar, long wick pointing up, and also very tiny body. And this is a typical reversal pattern. Like if you draw the line on the neckline, then you can clearly see that after double top neckline break, it tested the previous support and resistances, and then kept going down this way. So when I saw this reverse in wave on the 5-minute, I decided not to monitor anymore. So this is about time efficiency. When you find the market is going down, market is going against the major direction on higher time frames, you need to stay away, because you will never know how many hours or how many minutes it takes for this market to be bullish again in the 5-minute. So again, daily was bullish and 30-minute was also bullish at that time. But since I see the reverse confirmation, I stayed away. It was something I wanted to talk about today. Because in this case, even if I buy right now, it might also break the support, and 5-minute may keeps going down this way. And if 5 keeps going down, what's gonna happen on the higher time frames will be, first 30 will be flat. If it just goes down continuously on the 30 minutes or so, on the next 30 minutes or 1 hour or so, then 30 most likely goes flat. You will see Kumo flat, Kijun Sen flat, and Chikou span might be touching on the 30-minute. But daily might be up also. But if the market just keeps going down or keeps going sideways afterwards until the end of the day today, and tomorrow daily will be flat. Because it doesn't really higher, so daily will be flat, and 30 will be flat also. So you don't want to take trades on that condition, because if you see flat on both time frames in Ichimoku, that means buyers and sellers are 50-50 level. So that means no trend in the market. So even if you buy at that condition, the market may not go up towards the direction, and it's not really time efficient to wait for the next steps. Maybe the break-even step will be a bit too far. So yeah, this is how I didn't take that trade. And after that, I just came back to chart, and this is exactly what's happening now. So So looks like trading view changed the way it looks like this bar replay. So let me just shift it to right now. Yeah, so this is the market as of now, and so looks like the market afterwards went down continuously. So I have been staying away from the market from here until now. I was outside today, so I just came back home, and I will be going out in about 10 minutes. So I will be staying away from here also, but the whole time I didn't check charts, and the market was ranging or retracing in the 5-minute. So when it's retracing, ranging in the 5-minute or the higher time frames, this is when I stay away. So make sure you don't check charts too often every day. You need to know the importance of leaving chart, importance of staying away from the charts. Yeah, because if you keep monitoring, if you keep watching the chart, then when you, for example, see this breakout, for example, breakout on the N wave, and you may see gold cross stochastics, you may see band walk, you may see multiple bullishness in the 5-minute, and you may enter here. And then afterwards, the market just breaks support, and you may hit the stop loss, or you may have to exit at some point. So if I monitor continuously from here until now, then most likely I would enter trade buy here and hit the stop loss, and I will be having one losing trade. But because I stayed away, I didn't take that trade and I didn't lose. But rather, I keep my account, I keep my money on the account, and still looking for the new entry chances. So yeah, so that's how I did not take entry when I was here this morning. So yeah, so today when the market opened, the market just went up very strong. So and then the market got sold very much, and double top neckline breakout and reverse of the previous support became resistance here, and then the market just going down this way until 9 o'clock. And then afterwards it just went up on N wave consecutive, but since 11:30 it just going backwards, and now this is called V wave. So right now we can't trade because this is too spiky. So you might want to wait until the 5-minute goes bullish in the wave, more clear, or simply wait for the breakout of this double top 171.82. Wait for the double top breakout, and if that's good buying edge, you take that and follow uptrend perhaps. Yeah, but yeah, looks like the GBP pairs are a bit spiky today. Let me also check other GBP pairs just in case. So for example, yeah, GBP USD broke the Kumo, but it's not really going up. So as I mentioned yesterday on the forecast, we have to wait for the break of 1.1741 and look for the buying edge afterwards. And pound CAD is about to break the resistance, but today is doji or pin bar, so it may reverse. So we have to still wait for the clear breakout. And clear breakout means the candlestick close becomes above, close is above the resistance. And then look for the buy chance. So right now this is still ranging pound CAD. And pound AUD is also about to break the resistance. I think it will break the resistance, But the only question is we never know how long it takes for this to break. This might become ascending P wave. So you can draw the trend line like this way. And once the market reaches to the resistance, it may reverse and bounce on the trend line and goes up. This scenario may also happen in this pair. And we will never know how long it takes for this to break. It may break tomorrow, but it may break next week or 2 weeks after. So simply we need to wait for the break and place buy. And pound Swiss franc is bullish also. It broke the Kumo. And it looks like it's going up to 1.1723. So overall, the pound pairs are bullish. So I will continue to look for the buy chance this week. But today is retracing and spiky on the lower time frames. So I'm staying away. Plus, it's day off for me. So I usually stay away in this kind of condition. Alright, thanks so much everyone. Great to see you again. So yeah, today this is Monday, so it's my day off, but I just wanted to talk about how I did not take trade on the pound JPY, and that's why I decided to say hi to everyone and share my view on the markets. Alright, Maria, thank you for joining, good to see you, and Dean, Sammy, Asif, thank you for joining. TSM, thank you for joining too, good to see you. And Nad, Marsman, thank you for joining. Oh, you bought USD-JPY. Alright, let me check the USD-JPY. Right, it's bullish for the last 2 or 3 days. After, I think this doji reverse was significant. So looks like it's bullish. Let me check the 4 hour. So 4 hour is about to break the Kumo. But it's ranging now. So for me, if I were to buy, I would follow the lower time frames. So most likely I take the 1 hour and follow 1 hour uptrend. You see in 1 hour after the Kumo breakout here, this is a beautiful bullish wave. Yeah, so looks like the market has been supported slightly below, but supported by the Tenkan-sen. So if you're buying this one, you can keep holding until the market breaks Tenkan-sen, or until the market comes back to Kijun-sen. You can keep holding in the target to 149.72. So yeah, depending on which time frame you follow, the strategies should be different. Alright, Camilos and Cristo, thank you for joining. Good to see you too, thank you for joining. Alright, Powell, good to see you too. Oh, Shijun says, I actually traded GJ this morning. It went up 50 pips, then retraced and tagged me out for the break even. Okay, yeah, there was a huge spike on in the morning in the 5 minute on pound JPY. So again, coming back to this one, there was a big spike, so I think you took buy somewhere here in between, and afterwards it just went backwards. So yeah, it's good that you exit with a break even, because the most important part of trading is not to lose, right? Because if you don't lose, or if you lose small every time, then when you capture big trends, big waves, it should cover the previous losses. So never try to win every trade, which is impossible, but rather keep the losses small, keep the drawdown small or break even, and keep trying to capture the bigger pips. If the market reverses, you exit with a very small loss, and I think that's a healthy mindset. Yeah, before I didn't use stop loss. I was a very beginner, so I didn't know about the stop loss when I was a newbie. So once I took the buy on gold, and without the stop loss, I took the buy because I thought the market goes up. And then it went up, right? It went up towards my direction, but soon retraced back, and I had a huge loss. By the time I came back to the chart, the market went down below my positions, and I had a huge loss. So yeah, I was crying at that moment. And that's how I know about the stop loss. So yeah, my mindset is basically not to lose. My focus is, towards not to lose. Because if I don't lose, or if I don't lose big, then I should be making profits. But I don't take trades randomly. I always take trades in a trending market. However, it may retrace. But if it goes really big towards my direction, too much, you may be able to fix at least some profits, maybe 20 pips or 30 pips, and you may be able to exit along the way down this way. But again, yeah, good news is that you don't lose, so that you save money on your account, and you can always look for the next chance. Okay, yeah, thank you for joining, everyone. Good to see you. Yeah, looks like GBP pairs are spiky in the lower time frames. Right. Okay, Dean also says, it was actually my trade. Hit stop loss with 40 pips of loss. Okay, yeah, so when you start to see the market goes against the major direction in the 5 minute, that's when you have to exit. Yeah, that's what I do. So basically, I monitor until I set the break-even line. Yeah, I will make sure to monitor until I set the break-even line, because I'm still risking some money on the table. But after I set the break-even, I don't lose, so I'm happy to be away. Yeah, this is really important actually. Alright, thanks for joining, everyone. Thank you so much. Although this is unannounced live stream, happy to see everyone's comments today. So I'm about to end the session maybe in about 5 minutes, because I will be going out at 4:30 p.m. here. So yeah, thank you for joining. I just want to say hi, and just want to explain how I didn't take that trade on GBP JPY when I was seeing uptrend. Okay, so and today I think there are big news. So here is a calendar. So make sure you check news also before you take trades. So right now, today we just had the Euro news before, and oh yeah, there's no big news anymore. But tomorrow we're gonna have Australia Governor Low speech in the morning Asia session, and also interest rate decision in Australia, and we have big news, right? ISM manufacturing PMI in the US. Yeah, so we have to be careful. Yeah, before the news, never take trades. If you're having positions, then make sure you set the break even or exit with a profit and come back after the news. Okay, Vincent says, what do you mean when you say follow a time frame? So if you see daily time frame is trending, then follow the daily time frame. If you see weekly is trending, then follow the weekly. And if you see 1 hour trending, then follow 1 hour time frame. Is what I mean by follow the time frame. Because the markets, depending on which time frame you're looking at, the trend or range is different. So in the 5 minute, this is range. Right? In the 5 minute, this is range because this is normal N wave bullish. but rather this is more of Y wave now. So this is spiky now. So this is a range. But if you check the, let's see, daily time frame, it's bullish. It's bullish because the market broke the resistance and it's gone up on the N wave. So in this case, you follow the daily time frame, but you can't follow the 5-minute because 5-minute has no trend. So yeah, you need to select which time frame to follow is the very key. Okay. Oh, I see two members here are shorting Euro USD, Mohammed and TSM. Let me see, Euro USD today, is it downtrending? This is daily time frame. Let me show Ichimoku here. Yeah, okay, so looks like it was exactly resisted by the Senko span B and now it's going down. Okay, so it was a fake out of the resistance and the Senko span A and looks like it's bearish. Friday was doji, today is bearish, so yeah, it may go down. But since price is exactly into Kumo on the daily, the lower time frames might be spiky. Let me check the 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is below Kijun Sen. Chikou span is now below candles. So yeah, it's bearish. It's bearish. Looks like the market is going down within 1 hour channel. So looks like it's bearish. It may retrace back to Kijun Sen though, because Kijun Sen is flat now. So it may retrace back to Kijun Sen or the trend line and then continue to go down. Okay, but in this case I don't take trades because looks like it's too spiky and the downtrend is not really clear in the 1 hour. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, S&P, right? S&P 500 is now it's bullish, I think. Yeah, S&P 500 is daily time frame is today is bearish, but overall is bullish, but it's just going up to Kumo now. Nasdaq is ranging, and Dow Jones broke the Kumo and it's bullish. Okay, Luigi says, have you tried using 30-minute before for your entry time frame for the breakouts? No, I don't use 30-minute to trade. Yeah, I always use the 5 or 15-minute time frames to enter trades so that I have a smaller stop loss. If I take 30-minute, then my stop loss will be too wide. Maybe if I take the previous low in a 30, it's too wide, so I don't do that. In Forex, I don't do. But if I take trades on the indices or stock markets in the future, then I might take the 30 or 1 hour for my entry time frame. But since I only trade in Forex goes up and down every week, every month. So I better take the lower time frame for my entries. Okay, so it's already 4:30 now, so I have to go. I have an appointment to go, so I guess I will finish the live stream. But yeah, thank you so much for stopping by, everyone. So this is unannounced live stream today with off, with not the regular time, but thank you for stopping by. I just wanted to say hi to everyone and talk about my GJ analysis. So yeah, I hope you have a great weekend. Great week this week. It's already Monday. Yeah, sometimes, on Mondays, I still feel like it's a weekend for me because it's a day off. But anyways, I hope you have a great week this week. And yeah, see you in the next one. So yes, until I see you again, please stay healthy, stay safe, and stay gold. All right, bye for now, everyone. またね. Thanks so much.